Sir, favor can expire. Yes, it can. If you don't know that, you'll be running the race of life on a flat tire. Flat tire. Yes. And it's dangerous to be on motion and your tire is flat. You can have accidents. So there is a need to keep on renewing your favor by spending time with God, by doing what pleases God. When God is happy, He pours more incense of favor upon you. You cannot perpetually walk in favor if you are not walking in obedience. Obedience to God is what guarantees continual of favor. Yes, obedience to God. Favor, it is stronger than charm. You know they say, so if you say number me sorry. When you carry favor, when you notice you ask somebody that you have not asked, gave you things yesterday, you now even ask today, and the person said, "Go see." Just go back to God and spend time and break down, weep and mourn till He is happy. Because yesterday, when that thing was given to you, you didn't ask. Because I think you will need this thing. We have to take it and go. Now you now come back and even have the person say, "Sir, I need this thing. If I don't have it, it's like my world will crumble. If you can just give me. I know you used to give me 200,000 naira, but I just need 20,000. If you can, it's very, very urgent. Just 20,000 naira." And then say, even me. You did not ask for 200,000. The person was chasing you 200,000 naira. You now carry small problem, 20,000, and the person say, see you, even himself or even herself, understand that yesterday it was favor that spoke. Today you are the one speaking. Allow favor to speak. Allow favor to speak. There are people you can't talk to. There are places you cannot talk. Only favor can speak there.